Must have heard about the stories of scammers, crooks, fraudsters. We are going to learn about a monster of them all, Abdul Karim Elki. Might also be knowing about Harshad Mehta, the scam of 1992. There was even a web series about it. The scam was around worth 5,000 crore rupees. Now, the scam that we are going to talk about was worth 30,000 crores. Now, let us understand where it all started. Abdul Karim Telgi was born in Khanapur in 1961. His father used to work with the Indian Railways but passed away when Telgi was just a child. So his family had to rely on selling fruits and vegetables to the passengers of railway. After completing his BCom degree, Telgi came to Mumbai. After a few days, went back to Saudi Arabia. Couldn't find the better prospects over there here, so he came back, worked as travel agent. But Telgi and the frauds started all here. In 1993, he was arrested due to some forgery in immigration documents. In jail, he met Ram Ratan Soni, was already stamp vendor. In 1994, working along with Ram Ratan Soni, Telgi acquired a license of stamp vending as a stamp vendor and business started. In 1995, Ram Ratan Soni and Telgi parted their ways, but Telgi has become a mastermind of this business. He, with the support of few politicians, bought machineries of stamp printing machines and started hiring people, started asking them to join this whole scam. These fake documents, these fake stamps were used in registering property, insurance documents, and many such legal documents. Telgi was a man with lavish lifestyles, frequent visitor to the dance bars. Once he even blew up 93 lakhs rupees on a single bar dance. Two of his men were arrested in 2000, led to Telgi's arrest in November 2001 at Ajmer. He was sentenced with 30 years of imprisonment, 202 crores of fines. Investigations also found out that Telgi has got 36 properties around the country and more than 100 bank accounts in 18 major cities. Due to his many ailments, Telgi passed away on 23rd of October 27. People will never remember you based on where you have come from. They will always remember you what you have ended up with.